Traffic signs come in different shapes, colors, and sizes, and each one provides important information designed to keep you and other drivers moving safely. While you'll see a lot of different messages, you'll be glad to know they have distinct designs related to three basic categories: regulatory, warning, and caution. Regulatory signs are usually white and red and are the ones that reinforce traffic laws. These are the ones you must obey. They'll show you how fast you can legally travel and when you need to stop, if you're allowed to make a right turn, left turn, or U-turn, and when you should not enter a street because traffic will be coming towards you, like a freeway off-ramp or one-way street. Bright yellow signs are designed to grab your attention and warn you about potential hazards or special road conditions that may require you to slow down to prevent an accident. Here are some examples: wet or icy roads, merging traffic, pedestrian crosswalk, traffic signal light, sharp turn, curve, or crossroad. Since these warning signs are shaped like a diamond, they're helpful in situations like heavy fog. You may not be able to read them, but you know by their shape that you need to remain alert. And if you see signs with eye-catching fluorescent yellow-green backgrounds, be on the lookout for pedestrians, bicycles, playgrounds, and schools. When you see an orange sign, you'll likely encounter highway construction or road maintenance. You need to proceed with caution and watch for workers, some of whom may be directing traffic. Keep an eye out for construction equipment, road, or lane closures. And obey posted speed limits because in these zones, traffic fines are doubled. There are other helpful signs as well. Informational or guide signs make it easy to find destinations, points of interest, and important services. Remember, obeying traffic signs is important to maintain safe driving conditions, reduce traffic accidents, and make collisions at intersections less frequent. So, take a moment to study the California Driver Handbook, where you will find a helpful chart of traffic signs.